Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to know the features, or we will talk about the features that are available on Samsung Notes. But if you want other features or a lot of features on Samsung Notes, you can just tell me on the comments to do another part of this video. So in the first we will find this page here. We click on notes here of Samsung phone. Then in this page you can click in this sign here and you will enter. After that, in this page you can click in this sign if you want to write your notes here. You can choose anything you want. You can choose here text options like this. You can edit these text options here. Then you can choose the color of text here or the background of text, and then the color of text in this page as you see here, and you can write anything you want. Then you can also choose the size of text if you want it big or like this here. If you want it big or small. Then if you want to change the background of this color, you will if you want to change the color of this background, you will go above to these 3 points here. You will find this list. You will click on background color, and then in this list you can choose any background color. There is a lot of colors here. You can choose anything you want. You click here. For example, I will choose this. Then also here in this list you will find page template, and you can click. You can choose any template you want. You can choose the default template, or you can choose downloaded template if you want to take it on your gallery. For example, I will choose this template here, and as you see it will show you like this. You can also take a template on your gallery. For example, you can click in this sign, and here in this page you can choose any picture. For example, I will choose this picture here, and you can select your opacity like this, and here you can click on done, and as you see here it will be in this background like this. Then here in this list you will also find edit cover. You can click in this sign of turn on, and you will find style or cover style. You can choose the colors. You will find here also the styles. You can choose any style that you want, and then here you can choose any emoji you want for this notes, for example like this, and then you will return here, and you will find, before you return, you will write something here, and I will also click in this sign if you want to save these notes. Then you will return in this page here, and as you see you will find your notes, or your you will find these notes cover like this as you see here. You can also enter to find your notes here. Then if you want to lock your notes, you will go to this note here, as you see, and you will click. Then you will click on lock, and as you see here, it locks. It's locked, as you see here in this page. So it will not be shown to anyone until he enters the code of this lock, as you see. For example, you will enter your password, and then you can have the access to enter to this note, as you see here in this page. Then if you want to delete your note, you will click in this sign, and you will click here in this sign of delete, and then it will be deleted. It will be deleted like this, and you can click on move to trash, as you see. But before that, you should to enter your password, because this note is locked, as you see. So that's it. That's how to know the features of or the features that are available in Samsung Notes on your phone. So just follow these steps, and you will do all these features on your notes to make it better. So if you want another part of this video, just tell me on comments. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.